Well, hello there. Marcus is so beautiful. Sun is rising. This freaking cat. Shh. Y'all, good morning from Greece. Shh. Meow. I did not record my travel on my way here, y'all, because it was so hectic. First of all, I just got back from Colombia 3 days before I got to Greece, and it literally took us almost 2 days just to get to Amorgos, Greece, y'all. Amorgos. Period. So we're in Amorgos. We didn't have much time to even prepare before we got here, but we're here. Well, let me not say we didn't have that much time. I just mean we didn't have that much time to really like settle in and wind down before we got here. But y'all, the travel was kind of crazy. Not overly, but just the timing of everything. But before I chat y'all head off, look at this damn view. Look at my view. Like, literally. We might be changing our rooms, which is why I have not did a room tour yet, but this is like our little patio area. This is literally the view that we're waking up to for the next few days, and I'm so in love, so in awe. I'm about to head to breakfast and we gotta walk up a hill, but I'm about to meet Babe at breakfast right now because he did his workout and then he went straight to breakfast. I had to continue editing content. Y'all, I had to edit content because I had work that was due. Well, that is due today. It's currently, what time is it? It's currently 7:39 a.m., which means it is midnight in New York. I'm saying in New York, girl, you live in Miami now. Yesterday, we had like the entire day to literally relax. We were so tired yesterday to the point where we got breakfast, we came back, we went to sleep, we woke up, relaxed, got dinner, came back, fell asleep again, woke up, and we've literally been up since like 2 a.m. Hey, Jollies, this is where we're at. But let's get breakfast. We're too early for breakfast. Breakfast is not going to be ready until around 8 o'clock. Child, you hungry, okay? But it's okay. We're about to bring the drone out and get some aerial shots. So I'm gonna insert that next so you guys can see what we're seeing. If y'all don't know, I have been to the Amalfi Coast, Italy before, and to me this looks like a mini version of the Amalfi Coast. Like, not even close, honestly, but like just the mountains and the way how the houses are stacked, it just gives Amalfi Coast energy. Breakfast, we got some scrambled eggs, lunches, chocolate croissants. These are like freshly baked. So fluffy, so good. I got some apples, the croissants, and one slice of bacon. The eggs I had yesterday, they have tomatoes in them, but they're so good. And then I also got a latte on the side. Bon appetit. Marcus is so beautiful. Literally obsessed. Well, hello there. I heard you want a room tour, and this is Reese Travels, where I show you guys all the unique places that I stay when I travel out the country. Well, on this trip specifically, we're at Agalis in Amorgos, Greece. So let me show you guys the best part of this room, which is the cave pool that I'm literally obsessed with. We have the best view from the hotel, and I literally cannot wait to get into this pool. And on this side, there's a little seating area, swinging egg chair. Let me take you guys to the pool on this side. Wow, it's so beautiful out here. I just can't. This is just everything. We have a little beach bed right here so I can lay out, catch a little tan, do some work, and just look at this amazing view. Dollar bills, Now I'm gonna take you guys back into the room, and we have a workstation over here, little desk with the fridge and all your favorite hotel things. And on this side we have our bed, which is a king size bed. We love that. And honestly, the room is pretty spacious. There's like 2 different closets, and then we have the bathroom over here, which is pretty straightforward. Simple bathroom, all the necessities and things you need. Single shower, we got the sink and a nice mirror right here. And that is the room. I just took a yoga class. That class was really good. I stretched out. Ooh, that was like, the stretch was amazing. And now I'm headed back to my room. It is actually Easter in Greece. Well, tomorrow is Easter. So tonight they're having a celebration and they're gonna have fireworks. So that should be exciting. I'll bring you guys along with me. The backdrop is insane. Yep, headed back up the hill. I gotta go all the way up to my room. I'll see y'all later.
Actually, it's not bad.
Hey guys, I know I have not vlogged much today, but we got some really cool shots today. It was sunny and I cannot wait for y'all to see these photos. By the time this gets uploaded, you would see the photos. So if you didn't show love, make sure you go back and show love. I'm not sure, I'm average.
No, you're sure.
Good morning, guys. Yesterday was pretty relaxing. I have on teeth whitening strips, so if I sound like I have a list, that's why. We just came back from breakfast, a little bit digested, and now we're headed to the spa because we're gonna get massages today. Today is giving very much relax. We're probably gonna go into the town, get some lunch, get some content, of course. But it's so beautiful here, and honestly, it feels really warm today. Let's go to the spa.
All I can think about is us since I seen you last. I know I didn't have to walk away. All I had to do.
It is our second to last day here. Today we spent the day shooting some content, relaxing by the pool for a little bit. We also got massages. That was really nice. And the weather was so nice today. But we just finished taking some pictures over here. And y'all, I just can't believe how beautiful Amorgos, Greece is. The mountains, everything is just so beautiful. And yeah, I don't want to leave. I'm sad. Low-key. This is also the church we came to the other night for Easter, where they had the fireworks and everything. I really love it here, and I'll definitely be back. Your girl is hungry, so we're about to go get some food. Check y'all later. Y'all, Greece has so much stairs. So one thing about me, I brought my sneakers. I only brought one pair of sneakers, and I've literally just been switching out my sneakers when it's time for us to walk back or just to walk around, because I'm not about to walk around with my heels walking up and down these stairs, child. I put this fit together so last minute. I actually got this fit from Zara in Athens, Greece, and I thought it was so cute. The later it gets, the chillier it gets, even though today was like the nicest day in my opinion. Let's go get some food and I'll chat with y'all later. Hey guys, so I'm here with Irene. She owns Egalis here in Amorgos, Greece, and I wanted to talk to her just to ask her how she came about building the hotel, how does she like the hotel, and all of the fun stuff.
I'm in tourism since I was a little child, since I was 10 years old,
Yes.
because my father was the first one who built rooms to let on Amorgos, and I liked the hospitality. I liked, hosting people. So I was helping since I was very, a small child. Then we went to America with my husband and came back to be with the family. At the time, there was not electricity here in this part. It was quite primitive. When they started building a road, then the idea of having a hotel came to us, and we started. We bought a piece of mountain actually.
Oh wow!
And then we made the excavations to make flat parts to start building. So it has been a long way since then. It was very difficult at the beginning. That was the biggest project on the island at that time, and still is the biggest project on the island. But we like it, and we are very happy and privileged and like it because our children like to continue it.
So you can pass it down to generations.
Yeah, because of course how long could we do, my husband and I, but it's good that our children like the hotel business and the hospitality. We hope that their children will continue. So it's a family,
Yes.
So I do love that the hotel, the whole idea around it is surrounded by yoga and wellness. So how did you come into the wellness community?
Well, it came, ideas came on the way because we always look for something new, and our aim is to give a pleasure to the people, relaxation, We know that vacation for each one is very valuable and very precious, so we try to please our guests, and that's why we created a lot of yoga salads. At the moment we have 7 yoga salads at the hotel, and then at the same time we have 20 reformers for Pilates, and then we have 2 beautiful rooftops that people love to have activities there.
We love the hospitality here. You can tell that everyone loves it. Well, thank you, Irene. It was so nice speaking to you and getting more information on the hotel. You guys need to visit, okay?
You're not tuned into the people's DJ, the one and only DJ Arlo.
Te amo, she says to me. I hear pain in her voice. Then we danced underneath the candelabra. She takes the lead. That's when I saw it in her eyes. It's over. And she said, Te amo. Then she put her hand around my waist. Told her no, she cried, Te amo. Told her I'm not gonna run away. Let me go. I saw you to cry. I asked you why. I said,
Hey y'all, ever since we've been back, we got breakfast. I took a little quick nap. We're actually planning our next trip. Literally from here, I won't tell you guys yet, but I just made my post, my last final post for Colombia. I just did a dump. I'm about to go do a workout. Literally running from my room to the gym because they're keeping the gym open for us for another 30 minutes. So grateful for that. The view is absolutely stunning. As usual, I'll never get tired of this view. Today was eventful. It felt like we got a history lesson with Irene, and it was really, really good. Even just going to the Catholic Church was amazing. It was beautiful. It was a really good service, even though it wasn't in English. Still felt the energy. And if you guys don't know, I actually was raised Catholic. I actually brought back a lot of memories with going to church with my grandmother in upstate New York and everything. I was not born in upstate New York, but my grandmother lived in Syracuse, so I would be in Syracuse a lot when it came to summer vacation, but just certain times of the year. We'll literally, me, my siblings, and my cousins would literally go to Catholic. We have to get the key for the gym because the gym is closed. Like I was saying, we'll literally go to Catholic camp during the summertime. So that's a lot of, my childhood summer break memories is like going to Syracuse and like really indulging in Catholic culture. So it reminded me of that today, and Irene just like gave us so much different gems and history on the island of Amorgos. This trip specifically was just more calming, more relaxing, especially compared to Colombia, which I didn't mind. I feel like I needed some type of like wind down in a way. I'm excited to continue traveling. Like, this is not it. We're literally going somewhere else after this. I don't want to tell y'all in this video. If I don't see you guys later, if I don't pick up the camera, because we're literally leaving in the morning, very, very early in the morning. I'll just say my goodbyes for now. Thank you guys for tuning into this vlog. I hope you loved it just as much as I loved creating it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.